My guest today is attorney Holley Knapik. She's an attorney at the Olsen Law Group in Orlando. And Holley, I've been a lawyer in Orlando for 40 years. I know you've been doing it for less time than that.
A few years less.
Yeah, you're still a newbie. But just out of curiosity, well, just to let you know that when I became a lawyer in 1981, with my father, Robert Olsen, we had an office in downtown Orlando. And that was back in the days where most lawyers were general practice. We did most any and all types of law, depending on what the client happened to need. So I did a wide variety of things. But over the years, I've narrowed it down to wills, trusts, estate planning, probate, and real estate because I love that kind of work. But just out of curiosity, when you were in law school, did you have, daydreams about what kind of law you wanted to practice?
Luckily for me, I definitely knew what I wanted to do, and it came from personal experience with a probate case.
So you wanted to help people with their estate planning.
I wanted to help people avoid probate and get an estate plan in place to make things easy and simple for their loved ones once they passed on.
And so just out of curiosity, tell us about your personal experience.
So actually, oddly enough, my father passed away back in 2005, and everything was done correctly as far as we knew. About 4 years later, we realized there was a piece of property in Alachua County that was in his name and his name only, and I was told I couldn't build out there because I didn't own the property. And that's how I learned about probate in the state of Florida.
And so back in 2005, did you hire a probate attorney to do that for you?
Indeed, I had to.
And I'm sure expensive. I'm sure it took a while.
It was very expensive, and it took about 4 months to complete. And in the end, we did get the property, and I was able to use it. But unfortunately, we just didn't know that there was a way to avoid that, the Ladybird deed.